I'll be unboxing Time to Rest made by Kooky, and it is from Mart. So there's a total of 6 editions and 1 secret edition. I think this secret edition is eagle because the beak looks like an eagle. So let's see what we get. I'm gonna unbox this one first. So this off. And okay, let's see. What's this? Oh, there's a card. Okay. We got a parrot, and it's not what I want, but it's pretty cute. So I think this is okay. The card here. Let's see. It's very colorful, and I think that maybe like it's not what I hoped for, but it's nice anyways, and it's a very pretty and cute parrot. It comes with some accessories and a very bright and vibrant room. Yeah, I think this is a tree stump. I don't know, but let's try to open it. Okay. Alright. Oh, there we go. Yeah, okay, so let's see. I think the parrot can sit here. Let's see how it looks from the color. Yeah, the parrot sits over here like a bed. And then there's this microphone over here. So okay. Okay. So we're supposed to put it where we're supposed to put it. I think we're supposed to put it over here like that. So it's like that somehow. I don't know why parrots have microphones, but I guess yeah, this is it. So let's unbox the second one, I guess. We'll leave this here and we will see the other one. Okay, so this is the second box from the Time to Rest. So let's see what we get. Hopefully we get the pigeon or the secret edition this time. Oh wait, okay, I think this box. Wait, did we get the pigeon? Did we get the pigeon? I think, yes, we got the pigeon, you see. Yeah, we got the pigeon this time. Finally, we got something we wanted. So, yeah, what does the pigeon come with? Let's see. The pigeon comes with horn and the same kind of tree stuff, just that it's a different color. So, let's pick up the pigeon first. Oh, the legs are a bit metallic here, and the beak. Let's open the wax. Okay, so this is where the pigeon sits. I think it's like exactly the same as this tree stump because just that like it's a different color. And yeah, so let's pick up the horn. I don't know, is this a horn? I think it's a horn. Like a half eaten one. yeah, so I think this is the corn, and let's put it here. Let's put it right here. Yeah, I think here. So this is what we got. I think right here. You can put it wherever you want. I mean, I'm just following the picture over here. You can put it here, 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 wherever you want. But yeah, so I think that's it for today's video. I think I'm quite happy with the pigeon and the parrot, I guess. So bye.